Okay, good morning YouTube. What is up? It is about 6:30 in the morning now on Monday. I'm on my Christmas break, so that means full-time bodybuilder life for the next couple of weeks. So just woke up. I woke up at 5 a.m., took my fat burners and everything. I have to wait 4 hours to eat and 2 hours until I can have caffeine. So I'll better check my weight real quick and then have a morning shower and get ready to have some caffeine and then head to the gym for just 40 minutes of steps before I come home and have my first meal. So yeah. Alright, we just got to the gym, finishing our coffees. She's got 40 minutes of cardio to do, so I'll just do about 40 minutes of steps. And then that's about it. And then straight home for meal one at 9 o'clock. It's 7:46 now, so we're gonna get this done. We're gonna go home and eat. And she's gonna cover her face like she always does. Hashtag insecure women. Alright, just got back from the gym from doing steps. Meal one. Now I know you're all gonna think this is weird, but don't knock it till you try it. I have 80 grams of sourdough and 50 grams of whey made into a drip, poured over that. It tastes amazing, so don't knock it till you try it. And I'll have this with all my morning supplements, which I will show you guys now. So these aren't sups, but the heart salt and pink salt on my meal, B complex, fish oil, K2, D3, NAC, zinc, ubiquinol, and 10 grams of creatine in the morning. So I'll have that. Clean this up, and that is meal number one. Tell me that doesn't look tasty. Alright, so meal one is done, and I'm on work break, so it's time to be lazy. Caffeine, bit of Elden Ring for the next hour or so, and then I'll start prepping my next meal. Alright, so it's about 11:30 now, time for meal numero two. We have 200 grams of Spud Light, 200 grams of 5% fat beef mince, 50 grams of spinach, 50 grams of tomato, and 50 grams of red capsicum. So I'm gonna eat this up now. Got a bit of tidying up to do. The room's a bit messy, so I'm gonna tidy that up. Probably have a schnoz, have a little nap before my next meal, which is the pre-workout meal. And it's one of the favorite meals, but we'll be there in about 11:30, about 2.5 hours. Okay, so it's just after 2 o'clock now, about quarter past. Time for my third meal, which is my pre-workout meal today. 200 grams of white rice, 200 grams of chicken, 250 grams of pineapple, 100 grams of beetroot. Gonna eat this, drink this bottle, which will put me to 4.5 liters of water, and then get my pre-workout and intra-workout ready and head to the gym for a phenomenal push day with my mate Dean, which I will record. I'm not sure I'm gonna mic up, or I'll just record the session and do a voiceover later, but we'll find out in about 2 seconds for you guys and about an hour for me. I might just do normal grip just to be safe.
What do you want, 7?
I'll try this
At least. And then we're ready.
one. Yep. 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 Oh, it's hard to get me.
Push. One more.
Yep.
That's it. Push. Yeah, probably pressing.
Look at your right. Okay. Oh, I reckon 120 will be perfect. Oh, fuck. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oof. Oh. Yep. Fuck. Nice. Come on. Good. Fuck.
How's it going? Better?
For like 7 years. Some way too fucking long.
I'm not even too
A little bit heavier for working set, but that still feels so good. Not even. So like when like I count my point failure is if I know the next one form's gonna be shit.
Yeah.
So like I probably could do 2 more, but it'd be still form. So it's just in my opinion.
Still
What's the point?
yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
So as soon as I master it, I find okay, if I do 1 more, my form's not gonna be as perfect or close to. That'll be it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh damn.
Good.
Perfect. Oh, a bit too heavy, probably. Only got 8. Quick leg check, post push day. Oh my god, the gimbal takes forever to go up. Alright, time for post workout meal. I'll show you guys what it is. Okay, so post workout meal is 100 grams of rice flour, 50 grams of dates, 100 grams of banana, 50 grams of whey, and 150 grams of blueberries. Alright, meal number 5 out of 6. It's about 7:45, a little bit later than I would usually eat this, but it is what it is. I've got 200 grams of prawns, 50 grams of spinach, and 50 grams of rice. This is going to feel like I've barely even eaten, but that's okay. I'll eat this and then about 9:30 I'll have my last meal, which I will show you guys. I'm also sipping on the sugar-free Fanta, because I'm one hungry boy. Alright, it is time for the last meal of the day. So I've got 15 grams of whey in here with 200 grams of low-fat Greek yogurt and 80 grams of cereal and 15 more grams of whey to make 30. I'll eat this and get ready for bed, and that will be absolutely all for the day.